Hi there. I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Of course. Welcome to our bank. Are you looking for a savings account or a checking account?
I'm not really sure. What's the difference between the two?
Great question. A checking account is designed for your everyday transactions. Paying bills, groceries, online shopping. You get a debit card and can access your money anytime.
Oh, that sounds useful. And what about a savings account?
A savings account is where you put money you want to grow over time. It earns interest, but you're not supposed to withdraw from it as frequently.
I see, so I could have both.
Absolutely. Many of our customers open both. The checking account for daily use and the savings account to build up an emergency fund or save for something special.
That's a great idea. Let's start with both then.
Wonderful. I'll just need a valid photo ID and proof of address. The whole process takes about 10 minutes.
Perfect. I have everything right here. Thank you so much for explaining all of that.
My pleasure. Let's get you started.